Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to demonstrate a Java project that I have completed few months ago for my client, and I made this software according to his requirements, and he wanted a simple good looking software with high security, and his requirements were he wanted a software who has the ability to add some customer information or customer details, and which must have the ability to keep some notes and records according to the customers, and the most important thing that the software must have the ability to restore the deleted data. And here is the software that I made for him, and here you can see that in the login section there are no sign up button here, because I made this for security reason. At the very first time when you want to log into the system, you will need your super admin username and password in order to log into the system. Without your super admin username and password, at the very first time you can't log in. Okay, so after a super admin log into the system, then he can create new admin who can enter into the system, but the limitations, there are some access limitations will be available, will be applicable for that new admin, because a new normal admin can't alter the super admin or can't create new admin. Actually I have done this for security purpose, so let's dig into it. And here you can see the username here. So at first I'm putting my super admin username and password. For make it simple, I have coded it as admin and admin here, and here you can see the login button. I am pressing it, and here is the main panel of this system. Okay, in the left side here you can see there is customer information, notes, history, and all the things. And here you can see the settings here. Actually here you can add new admin. Okay, and at first let's talk about the customer information. And here you can see there is a table here, and there is name and mobile number field. And in the above here you can see add, update, delete, search and clear button here. And at the right upper side here you can see the total number of customer or total number of ID here is 9, so it's showing 9 here. Okay, so if you want to add a customer, what you can do, just simply type his name, suppose Jihad, and mobile number, suppose this, and if you press the add button, this will add your data. Okay, so here you can see the Jihad has been edited here, and the joining date also has been edited in the system automatically. Okay, so if you want to search somebody, you has also the ability to do that. Here suppose I want to search 34, let's see, no customer found. Okay, so let's do it again. Suppose SK search, and here you can say 2 SK here. Okay, so here you can see the customer information, all of the functions are working here, and here you can also delete them or update them. And next, the notes section. Here you can add some notes according to the customer. First of all, here to put the name that you want to add some notes here. Suppose I want to add note for Jihad here, and the note is I will meet him tomorrow. Okay, so if I add this, data restart successfully. Okay, so here you can see the Jihad has been edited into the system, and here you can see the edited date also showing here. It's by default by the system, and it's never updated. Okay, so if I want to update anything, like there is Sakib, and you can see it's text BD. So here you can see if I want it to update it, like please subscribe, and if I click the update button, you can see data updated successfully. So here you can see that data has been updated successfully. Okay, and if you click any data, it will gonna show it up here. And you have also has the ability to search here by notes. If you want to search anything, like any word that you can remember, suppose I have keep a note here, I will meet him tomorrow. So let's say, is it this works or not? I want to search here, suppose meet. So if I click the search button, and here you can see it's showing the data. Okay, so if you can remember the partial information, you has the ability to search it in this system. And you can also search them by name. I'm clearing this, and suppose I want to search Shakib. Here you can see the name contains Shakib is showing up here. Okay, so if you want to search it here, you can also search it here like this. And if you want to search a particular name, and actually there is no data with this name, and if I want to search with Shakib1, let's say, is this in this database or not? Search, actually there is no data found. And let's say I want to search this with only Shakib, and here you can see the name which contains Shakib, all the data are showing up here. Okay, so now let's talk about the history buttons here. Actually in this section you has the ability to restore your data. You can see the history where it's been deleted, actually all the deleted history for nodes. So if you delete something, suppose this data I have included here in very few moments ago, so I want to delete this. So if I delete this, it will ask for confirmation, yes, and data deleted successfully. I can see the data is no more here, and the data is showing in the deleted section, in the history section here, and it's never been updated, and the deleted data is showing here. So if you delete this by mistakenly, and if you want to restore it, you have the ability to restore it, and you have to just go here and select the item, and or select the data, and just click the restore button. Okay, I'm refreshing it once more, and just click the restore button. And do you really want to restore? Yes, and data restored successfully. And here you can see that data is no more here, is showing up to here. Okay, so if you want to delete a data permanently, then you have to select here, and if you delete from this button, then the data will be deleted permanently. Okay, so data has been deleted permanently, and data has gone forever. And here you can see the settings option here. Actually this is for creating a new admin, and to do that, actually to access this section, you must have the super admin username and password. Without putting your super admin username and password, you can't do anything here. Okay, so if you want to show table, first enter your super admin and password. Yes, the main thing is, if you want to do any performance here, you must need your super admin username and password. So I'm putting it here. My super admin username is this, and my password is also admin. So if I click the show button, then it's gonna show the informations right here. Okay, so if I want to update something, I can do that. Suppose I want to update this 1 2 3 4 5 5, and if I click the update button, and here you can see data has been updated. Here you can see the information. But if anything is missing here, and if you want to update here, you can't do that. Invalid super admin username password. Okay, so you must have to put your super admin username and password to create a new one or update or something. To do anything actually here, you must need super admin username and password. And I made this obviously for made this function with has to make this function more security. to provide this function more security actually. So this is it, and if you want to build a software like this or more efficient software like this, I can also build it for you. So I will put my contact details in the video description. If you want to make a software, please contact with me. Thank you.